Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you have XPS 9380 model number and you are facing screen flickering issue when you start the computer or when you're working on your computer and suddenly the screen is flickering, so in order to fix this problem you have to go ahead and install the latest LCD firmware from Dell website. Now to fix this problem, just to go to any browser, open any browser, then type in dell.com/support, open this website, then enter the service tag number of your XPS computer. If you don't have a service tag, then click on browse all products, click on laptops, click on XPS, click on XPS 13-inch. Then over here you will find XPS 13-inch 9380, your model number. Click on it. Then go to drivers and downloads. Here you will find the category. Click on the down arrow and then click on application. Now under application you will find Dell XPS 13 9380 LCD firmware. So you have to go ahead and download and install this firmware on your laptop. So click on download. A small exe file will download on your computer. Then you have to click on it and click on yes to allow, and then you have to click on continue, and then you have to just follow the on-screen instruction to install this LCD firmware on the computer. Once the installation is done, restart your computer and that should take care of the flickering issue on your XPS 9380. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.